Nigerians, first of all, may una type congratulations for comment section for me because e no really easy. Wetin God wey dey this heaven no fit do, no exist. Yes, I dey tell una say me, I'm a financial expert. Una dey look me less for this app, dey pour me spirit. No worry, no worry. By the time you go know, you go cry why you no worship me for this app. No worry, carry that camera come. Video this please. Video this. Now where I invest my money be this. Now where I invest my money. This one, if I want sell it now, if I want sell this one now, it go reach 500,000 or 600,000. The current price now na 500k. Carry that camera come. Video this one. Video this one. When I dey tell una say no una invest una money for farming, and they carry that money go carry you come there. Carry that camera come. Carry that camera. Video me. Video me. Video me. Video this one. Now where I dey invest my money be this. I dey tell una say no worry. Before una go cry. I didn't mean I know. The last comment already. If at all I know, I for worship this guy online. Carry that camera come. Video this one. This one are the mama. He dey with belle. He dey with belle. Small time go born. Go born like 12. I go sell am to 200,000. Carry that camera come. Carry that camera come. Carry that camera come. Now you look me less for this app. And they look me less. Don't worry. Video this one. Video this one with the here. This one, you know, tell where I bring and come here, but you don't dey chop, you don't dey fat. Carry that camera come. Video me. Yes. I want show now the children now. That one, you know, tell where he born. You know, tell where he born. And people they price me big money. I don't really sell them because I won't clear this place. Video here. I won't clear this place. Then video the place. I won't clear this place. Then build another house. Then I go shift them because this place too tight for them. Carry that camera come. Video. No. You waiting do your mouth like that. You don't go fight. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 9 days there. Not really easy. Alright, carry that camera come. Alright.